Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to speed up and slow down your TikTok videos. In order to point your audience's attention to a specific thing or on the contrary quickly show a lot of important moments, TikTok allows you to slow down or speed up the videos you upload. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can do it. Go to TikTok and click on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Tap the gallery icon. Choose the video you would like to post on TikTok. Press on the next button. Now tap the speed icon. If you click on the 2x, you will make your video play faster. However, if you hit the 0.5x, your video will play slower. Once you choose the speed, upload the video as you would normally do. However, keep in mind that you can choose the speed of your video not only when you upload it from the camera roll. TikTok allows you to change the speed before you record a video on the app. The speed options are presented over the record button, as you can see on the screen. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to speed up or slow down your TikTok videos. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.